Hi friends, let me take you through the video and showcase the steps wherein we are going to see the figure wherein there is no line drawn. However, I want to showcase to you as to how we can get only ticks and spines before I can proceed further with the plotting of the numbers on my graph or the figure. Now in this case what I will do is again I will import the package called as matplotlib.py plot as plt, and in my second line of my coding I will simply write plt.plot and open the brackets, simple brackets, and close the simple brackets. I'm not giving any kind of input to it in the form of the numbers. And then what will I do in the third line of my coding? I will simply key the words plt.show, open the simple brackets and close the simple brackets, and now I'll go ahead and run my code. Now here you will see that immediately what I get as an output is a square. Okay, there are no grids, no lines, no graph or the dots wherein I have to plot anything. It showcases only the major text present on the x-axis and the y-axis. Now surprisingly, this is the default figure. Okay, and here you can see that the major ticks are starting off with 0.0 on y-axis, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 and 1.0. And now observe on the x-axis, here there is a uniformity and there is the equal numbers are present: 0.0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 and 1 point also I have got. So this shows that the default one, that is plot.plot, plt.plot square brackets, simple brackets open and simple brackets close, gives me the identical major ticks, and the spines are also present and they are being showcased to you. So I just wanted to show you as to how the default one looks like, and can I go ahead and get the empty graph box wherein I can go ahead and there are no lines. However, I can see what the major ticks and the spines are present for me. I hope you like it. So let me proceed further with yet another video wherein I will showcase to you more subtle points also to take care using Python. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.